Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math. Today we are going to see class 8 chapter 1 rational numbers in exercise 1.2 sums 5 and 6 questions 5 and 6 and fifth one is multiplication of rational numbers and sixth one is division of rational numbers. Okay, now first question is we'll do one by one. There are two sums in question number 5. It is first one is 9 by 132 into minus 11 by 3. We'll see that first. So 9 by 132 into minus 11 by 3. So what is the first step here? First thing, anything, whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. First thing you check whether there is any negative sign in the denominator. If there is a negative sign, you take it to the numerator. Now check here, both the denominators are positive. Okay, we can start the sum. And before that, I just want to remind you all children, for addition and subtraction, the denominators must be same. Then only we can add or subtract. If they are different, what do? We have done those sums already. Yes, we find LCM to make them same. But in multiplication and division, the denominators can be same or different. So even if they're different also, they can be multiplied and divided. So here the finding LCM is not necessary. So actually it is easier than addition and subtraction. Only thing you should know is you must be thorough with the tables. At least from 1 to 10, it should be in the tip of your tongue. Then it is multiplication, division, sums are nothing. Just like that we can solve them. Okay, shall we proceed? So write this question once again because we are going to cancel and write them. So write it once again. Now check whether numerator and denominator have any common factor, means both come in any of the same table. What are we going to do finding the common factor? We are going to cancel. What is the meaning of cancelling? Cancelling means it is dividing. But is the meaning of this multiplication is multiply both the numerators and multiply both the denominators. But if we do that 9 into 11 and 132 into 3, the numbers are quite big. After cancelling, if you cancel, the numbers become smaller. That is the meaning of writing the rational numbers in simplest form. If you cancel them, the numbers become smaller. So it is easy for us to multiply. So to cancel, we have to find a common factor. 9. It comes in 3 tables and 9 tables. But what about 132? Such a big number. Do you know the tables? Hardly we know 3 tables still. 3 tens are 30. Otherwise, if a little more means 3 into 16, 3 16s are 48. We know we have maximum, we have learnt up to into 16 only, 16 times only. 132 3 tables we don't know. This is where we use divisibility rules. What is it? Without the tables, we use some small techniques to find whether they can be divided by 3. What is it? What is the rule for 3? For 132, you add the numbers 1 plus 3 plus 2. What is it? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Is this 6 divisible by 3? Is this 6 come in 3 tables? Yes, it is there. 3 2s are 6. So when you add the digits, that answer is divisible by 3. Therefore, this 132 also can be divided by 3. Okay, so we'll start cancelling by 3. Tell 3 tables, 3 3s are 9. And here, till 13 comes, 3 4s are 12. What it is? 3 4s are 12 means this 4 is the quotient. Okay. After 12, you count till 13. After 12, 13. What is the remainder? 1. That is carry with the 2. Now 12. For 12, what is the quotient again? 4. So 3 4s are 12. Now 3 and 44, add them once again. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Do you get 8 in 3 tables? 3 3s are 9 only we have. We don't have 8. So 8 is 44 is not divisible by 3. So now check 11 and 3 now. 11 and 3 both are prime numbers. What is a prime number? They are divisible only by 1 and the same number only. They don't come in any of the other tables. Okay. So 11 and 3 we cannot divide. Now check cross. 3 is also numerator. This 3 is a denominator. Any numerator can be cancelled with any denominator if there is a multiplication sign. Okay. Now 3 and 3, 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now this way, 11 and 44, yes, 11 tables is the easiest table. 5, 10, 11, all these tables are very easy to remember. So 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44. Now check, once you get 1 and 1, it cannot be cancelled further. So just you have to multiply both the numerators and multiply both the denominators. What is the sign here? Plus. Plus into minus. When you multiply two different signs, minus. 1 ones are 1, by 4 ones are 4. That's all. The first sum is over. Now we shall move on to the second one. Minus 7 by 27 into 24 by minus 35. So there is a negative sign. First take it to the numerator. Minus 7 by 27 into minus 24 by 35. We are not writing the reciprocal. Only thing is just we are shifting. We are moving the sign from denominator to numerator. Even then the value will not change because plus divided by minus. Minus divided by plus, both are same, negative. When you divide two different signs, it is minus. The value is not changed. Okay. Now just what do we do? Cancel. 7 and 27. 7 is a prime number. It comes only in 7 tables. And 27, is it there in 7 tables? No. So these two cannot be cancelled. And 24 and 35, they don't have any common factor. So we'll check cross 7 and 35. If you're thorough with 7 tables, yes, you are right. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Next, this way, 24 and 27, both, which table they come? Yes, you are right, children. It is 3 tables. 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Okay, anything else? Now 8 and 5, no common factor. 8 and 9, no common factor. So what is the next step? Just multiply both the numerators, multiply both the denominators. Before that, multiply the signs. Yes, minus into minus. Signs are same. It is plus. 8 ones are 8. 9 fives are 45. So it is 8 by 45. Now let's move on to the next sum. Question number 6. It is division. Sixth one is division. It says divide. Question number 6 is divide minus 21 by 5 by minus 7 by minus 10. Okay. So minus 21 by 5 divided by minus 7 by minus 10. So there is a negative sign in the denominator. First take it to the numerator. So write the first rational number as it is, minus 21 by 5 divided by minus divided by minus. Both are positive. Both are negative. When the signs are same, it becomes positive. When the signs are same, when you divide the same signs, it is positive. So it becomes 7 by 10. Now we have to proceed with the division. What is division? Write the first rational, one step extra than multiplication. Write the first rational number as it is. Change this division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second rational number. What is reciprocal? Changing the numerator and denominator. 7 by 10 becomes 10 by 7. No changing plus minus and all. Only changing the numerator and denominator is the reciprocal. Numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes the numerator. That's all. Now we follow the rule of multiplication as we did the first two sums. Cancelling. 21 and 5, no common factor. 10 and 7, no common factor. You check cross. 5 and 10, yes, they have a common factor. 5 tables, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. 7 and 21, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. See, I told you already what you must know to cancelling. Only the tables. So every day learn the tables, at least 1 to 10. You just tell once in the morning, once in the evening, 1 to 10 tables. So that you become very thorough with the tables. So that all these sums becomes very easier. So how many negative signs? Only one negative sign. So it is minus. 3 2s are 6, by 1 1s are 1. Dividing minus 6 by 1. Divide any number by 1. We get the same number as the answer. So minus 6 is our final answer for this sum. Now we'll see the second one in division sum. Minus 3 by 13 by minus 3. So what is it? What is minus 3? It is an integer. When there is no denominator, it is an integer. How to make it as a rational number? Rational number means you should have numerator and denominator. So that is numerator we have. What's the denominator we do? Put by 1. At the same time, the value should not change. So when you divide 3 by 1, answer is minus 3 itself. When you divide a number by 1, we get the same number. And when you put by 1, the integer has become a rational number. Okay, this is how we change integers into rational number. We'll see one more example. Suppose if you are having minus 8. It is an integer. How to change a rational number? By 1. Minus 14. It is an integer. Rational by 1. Why only negative? We can have positive also. 7. 7 is an integer. How to change it into a rational number? By 1. Any number you put by 1, it becomes a even 0. By 1. 0 is also a rational number because we can put by 1. 0 divided by any number is 0. Only thing is, what is the condition we have in the rational number? The denominator should not be 0. We cannot divide a number by this is possible. But division by 0, when the denominator is 0, it is not possible. So in all the rational numbers, the denominators should not be 0. That is the only condition you should remember. And to change integer into rational number, put by 1. Now we follow same procedure. What is the first number? Minus 3 by 13 divided by minus 3 by 1. Write this first. Okay, write the number, put the division symbol first, then we'll start with the sum. Now, what is the procedure for steps to be followed for division? Write the first rational number as it is, change division into multiplication, and write the reciprocal of the second number. Write this minus sign. When you're writing the reciprocal, sign will not change. Minus as it is, 3 by 1 becomes 1 by 3. No change in the negative sign. Plus reciprocal of positive is positive, reciprocal of negative is negative only. Only the numerator and the denominator will change. Now we have to cancel. 3 and 13 both are prime numbers. They cannot be divided. So you check cross 3 and 3. What tables? 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Anything else? 1 and 13. Once you get 1, even if you divide, we get the same number because it is divisible only by 1 table. So now multiply both the numerators, multiply both the denominators. Minus into minus. When you multiply the same signs, yes, it is plus. And 1 ones are 1, 13 ones are 13. That's all the answer for the second one. Now we'll see third one. And the last division sum in question number 6, which is minus 2 divided by minus 6 by 15. Now minus 2, what is minus 2? It is an integer. How to change it as a rational number? Yes, by 1. So divided by minus 6 by 15. First step, we are just rewriting the question. Second step, we follow the steps now. Rule. What is the rule? Minus 2 by 1. First rational number as it is. After that, come on. Change division into multiplication and reciprocal of the second fraction. What is reciprocal? Changing numerator and denominator. Will the sign change in writing reciprocal? No, no change in the sign. If it is plus, it is plus. If it is minus, it is minus. Then what do we change? Only 6 and 15, numerator and denominator. So 6 by 15 becomes 15 by 6. Yes, okay. Now what is next? Just we have to cancel them. So how to cancel? 2 and 6 by what tables? 3 tables. 2 tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Then what else can be cancelled? 3 and minus 15 by what tables? They can be cancelled by 3 tables. Both have the common factor 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Okay, put equal to for every step. Equal to must be written. Then that's all because once you get 1 and 1, it cannot be cancelled further. So we'll just multiply both the numerators and multiply both the denominators. Before that, multiply the signs. Yes, minus into minus. What is it? When you multiply same signs, it is plus. Now the numbers. 5 ones are 5 and 1 ones are 1. What is 5 divided by 1? When you multiply a number by itself, the answer is 5. Same number. Okay, with this, we stop this. Then rest of the sums, we'll see in the next video. Till then, thank you. Thank you for watching.